Hello, Groove. My name is David Lemon. I'm the community manager of Groove Digital, and I welcome you here to Groove Funnels. You did a very good decision for choosing and purchasing or actually signing up for Groove Funnels. If you're on a free account, welcome. If you're on a paid account, great decision. If you still thinking about upgrading, you can do it still, and you still have time to get the lifetime upgrade. And I suggest you to do it as soon as possible. Very soon we'll be heading over to a monthly pricing plan, so the lifetime option will be going away, but you still have time. So in case you're on a free plan, head over to the upgrade page. Just click the upgrade button from your dashboard and you can join the lifetime club. But yes, in case you're new, in case you don't know how to use it or actually what is Groove Funnels, I've seen posts where I have no clue what this is for, but I'm a member. And that's very great. But in case you're on a free account, there's not a lot that you probably invested. But in case you invested into the paid account, you probably spent some money, and not knowing what you purchased is not the best thing. So in this video, I'll be showing you and explaining you what Groove Funnels is, what Groove Pages, what Groove Digital is, what all this Groove stuff is, what you can do with it, how you can use it, where to find training, where to find support, and things like this. So this is the goal of today. And yes, I just want to welcome you. I'm very happy that you are here. And I have also, the next slide is just saying this. Welcome to Groove Funnels. And yes, so my name is David Lemon, and let me just introduce myself a bit. I was just a normal user like you once. This was in May, and I was just helping out people, answering to users' questions, and there was a lot of repeating questions. So I decided I will create a couple of videos on helping out users. So I created a couple of videos and continued helping users in the Facebook group. And the company found me. Company saw my posts, my videos, and that I'm helping people, and they wanted to take me in so that I work with them hand in hand. And this is what happened. And now 70 something live streams later, I'm teaching you guys and showing you what I've learned, what this company is about, and what you can use it for. So GrooveFunnels is a very, very powerful suite of tools. You will be able to use it for your business, for your marketing. In case you're creating art as well, you can use Groove Pages for building art pages. And I will show you an example from a user inside our own Facebook group. She's not using it for selling only. She's actually creating art pieces, and she's testing the limits of this software and creating something that is quite amazing. But yes, so I wanted to tell you that I'm doing live streams every work day in a week, which is Monday to Friday, and this is more like a conversational type of training, a live stream, so that it is not, yes, welcome to Groove Funnels, click here to do this, click here to do that. I actually want to talk with you, explain you things like a human person would, not like a robot, and I believe users appreciate it. So in case you do have any questions later down the line, please pop them in the comment section. We will be answering them soon. But in case this is your first time joining our live stream, and in case you're watching us on Facebook, please head over to streamyard.com/Facebook. Otherwise, I will not be able to see your name or your profile image. For example, as you can see, Eldon is watching us on YouTube. And in case he would be watching us, for example, on Facebook, like Danielle over here, her name and her profile image shows up. But in case you didn't approve StreamYard, you will be showing up like this as a Facebook user and without an image. So I cannot see your name and your profile image when I'm answering your questions. So please head over to streamyard.com, approve this. You do it only once, and then the next times, whenever you are watching us, watching our live streams, watching our tutorials and teachings, you will be able to comment, and we can see your name, see your profile image, and we can answer the questions directly towards directly your questions. So we can read out your name and answer your question. So, as I mentioned, we will have a Q&A session at the end of this training. We will be answering all the users' questions that will be popping up in the comment section. So in case you do have any comments or any questions, please just put a little Q in front of it and then your question. So when I'm scrolling through all the comments, it will be easy to pick out what the questions are. So in case you have something that you wanted to ask, please put Q dash and then your question so that I can find it easily inside the comments. But yeah, if you are watching, I would encourage you just to jump in and say hi. This is something that I do every time on our live streams. I just want to see who is with us. I will click on your name and then read out all the people that are here. So in case you're first time here, in case you're watching, just pop into the comments and then say, hey David, I'm here, I'm watching, I'm here, just so that I can see that it becomes a dialogue and not a monologue. So I have Ryan Gerata is watching us on Facebook and saying hi. Awesome, it's good to have you here, Ryan. We have Eldon as always. We have a Facebook user, as I clicked previously on the name, saying hello. So it's good to have you here as well. I have Rob watching us. I have Vibber here. Namaste from India. Perfect. Karen is watching us. Hi, David Lemon. Hi, all. Perfect. So I have a user that is first time over here. Perfect. Welcome. Carmen is saying, welcome all. You never want to miss a training from David Lemon. He is so wonderful. Thank you very much, Karen. It means a lot. Susan saying, hey, David, thanks for doing this. Absolutely, Susan. I'm very glad that you're here. JB, thank you, David. JB De La Cruz, Philippines, Platinum member. Awesome. It's good to have you here. So I have Daniel EU saying hi. Awesome, David from Content Creation. Joe saying Lemon Legend. Thank you very much, Joe. Carly is here saying, hey, hey man, I upgrade to lifetime. Okay, but when ClickFunnels import will be okay. So Songli, this is a question. Please read the slide that I have. In case you have a question, please put a Q in front of it and we will be answering it in a Q&A session at the end of the stream. Okay, I prepared a nice presentation. We will go through everything and then at the end I will answer users' questions. Perfect. So Adnan saying hey. I have Dr. Deepti from India. Darcy Hall, good morning, David. You sound a little hoarse. Too much cheering. Woohoo! Yes, for all the Groove advancements. Absolutely. Yes. So we have big. We will be posting a post on in our Facebook group. We reached great milestones with having people sign up on a platinum membership, and we're so happy in the company that you managed to join us and that you will be able to use us for life. We will be able to help you with your marketing. You will be able to help other users, other people around the world with your products. So it's just making people happy, and I love this, and it's no better feeling than helping people. So perfect. Taylor Hill, blessings from Virginia. Awesome. It's good to have you here. Datri from India is here. Awesome. So we have a very good crowd of people here. So I believe it's time for us to start doing the training actually. So the first question is, what is GrooveFunnels? So you probably signed up, but there is some people that may not realize what they signed up for. In case you're on a free account, you can use a lot of different apps inside GrooveFunnels, but in case you're a platinum account, you probably have a bit of understanding what it is, but I will just say it anyway. So GrooveFunnels, imagine GrooveFunnels like a box which has different things inside the box, and these things inside the box are tools. So just imagine like shovels and I don't know, hammers and things like this, tools that you can do something with. Inside this box, these are tools, and you need to use the tools to create something with. So this is GrooveFunnels. GrooveFunnels is a suite of apps which holds all these tools that are interconnected, that communicate with each other. For example, for your marketing, you can build out your websites. You can create your products that you will be selling on your website. You can create a membership site that you will connect to your website, that you will connect to your product. So this is an integrated suite of apps that will be working together to achieve a goal of making you successful sales, running your business, getting your marketing and your basically products promoted online. And GrooveFunnels is a one-stop shop for successful marketing and successful online business. This is the definition I like to give, but there is so much more to it. GrooveFunnels is a suite of apps. Sometimes people mistake it with Groove Digital. Groove Digital and GrooveFunnels are two different things. It's like Groove Digital is the name of the company. So Groove Digital is like Microsoft or Apple, and GrooveFunnels is the product that was created, like Windows from Microsoft, or Mac OS, or iCloud. This is also a software that is online. So Groove Digital is the company, and the product that Groove Digital created is called GrooveFunnels. Okay, so Groove Digital has a couple of different products. So at this point, the GrooveFunnels is one product and GrooveCart is another product. I will be getting more into that, explaining what each does, but this is just a basic understanding. Imagine GrooveFunnels as a suite of apps like Microsoft Office that has different things like Groove Pages and GrooveCell and GrooveMember, which is compared to Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Excel, and things like this. So that's just for you to understand how it looks like and what the arrangement of these Groove names is. So I believe now we know what GrooveFunnels is. Let's just go over and show you what GrooveFunnels has. As I mentioned, GrooveFunnels has tools inside, but let me just show you what the tools are. So GrooveFunnels is a product that has all these tools inside. So Groove Pages for building out your pages and landing pages and funnels. So this is more of a design tool that can replace ClickFunnels or WordPress and tools like Elementor or Thrive Architect or things like this that you actually use to visually build out your site. Okay, then GrooveCell is the place where you will set up your product, that you will say, okay, my product is called this. This is the price of the product. This is how the people can purchase it. This is how the people can get to it. And that is GrooveCell. GrooveCell compares to SemCart. SemCart is very similar to GrooveCell. It is a more advanced, it's an older company, but GrooveCell will be better, stronger, and will have more features as time goes on. Groove Affiliate. So let's just say that you now designed your pages with Groove Pages. You created your products with GrooveCell and you started selling them. But to promote it, you can also create your affiliate system. You can create an affiliate system, which means you will invite other people so that they take a link to be able to promote your product. So this is very strong and very powerful in marketing to create a viral effect. So it will not only be you who will be selling the product, but instead of one person, it will be selling like multiple different people. And they can make a bit of commissions on selling your product. They can help you out in returns of a commission. So this is what Groove Affiliate does, and it compares to Tap Affiliate, which is a different platform from a different company. But once Groove Affiliate is, it already can do like 80% of what this platform can do, but we still need a bit of time to develop it so that it is better, stronger, and more powerful than the competitors. I need to mention that at this point, GrooveFunnels, as the whole suite of things that you see here, is still in beta mode. That means that we are still actively working on developing this product. This is a not finished product. Let's just imagine this product as a base of a house. And then we are building the walls, the doors, the windows, the roof, everything inside as well. And at this point, we have the base and the walls of the house, and we're still developing that house. And as time goes on, we will be adding on more features that will have bigger effects on your marketing, that will help you out more, save time, save energy. You will not need to use all these different software and then connect them together somehow so they communicate. Once you will be having your business created with these suite of tools, they will be communicating with each other automatically, so there will be no need for as they call duct taping different things together. So GrooveMail will be coming out very shortly. It will be used to send multiple emails at once. Let's just say that you have you have a list of interested buyers. We call them leads. You have a list of leads that want to purchase your product, hear from you again, and things like this. You will be able to put this list into GrooveMail and send out an email to everybody. And not only that, you'll be able to automate this email. So on day 1, send them this email. On day 2, send them this email. On day 3, send them another email. And you can do these automations and things like this. It is much more advanced than what I just explained, but we'll go over that once GrooveMail comes out. It is comparable to something like ActiveCampaign. ActiveCampaign is a third or is a different company. They created a tool that we will have something similar with GrooveMail, but it will be more powerful and more connected because all of this will be talking to each other. GrooveMember is used to create memberships, and basically this is a system of delivering your products. Let's just say you are selling a course and your course is set up inside a GrooveMember platform, which is a membership where the people that purchased access to this course, they need to log in, and then they can see the modules. You've probably seen already courses online. You had to register for it or log in, and then you go into a membership area in a platform which has like course 1 or module 1 of the course, module 2, module 3. Then you click on that, then there are different chapters and videos and posts and things like this. So this is what GrooveMember will be able to do. Groove Video is a strong marketing platform for video. So we compare it to Vimeo because Vimeo is used for creating videos that are used for marketing. For example, sales videos. Like you've probably seen already sales videos on a page, on a landing page. You come on there and you see people explaining what their product is, or they do these cartoon animations of explainer videos of products. So this is something Groove Video will be able to do, but the distinction is that you can do tagging and automations from Groove Video. Like in case somebody watches 25% of the video, show them a button and send them this email through GrooveMail. So these things you will be able to automate using Groove Video, and it will be very powerful. It is already out, and we'll dive into it a bit later. GrooveCart is an e-commerce platform. You can create an e-commerce store. That means that you can create a shop which you design your pages. Here is like a carpet category. Here is a category where I'm selling like couches. Here is a category where I'm selling all kinds of different sofas and things like this. And all of these items that you're selling are visible for people to browse. Okay, so I can click on this sofa, see it, see the pictures, see the descriptions, and then things like this. This is an e-commerce platform. It is comparable to Shopify, and you also have it with the one-time deal. In case you are on the free membership, you will be able to register to GrooveCart as well later on. In around a month or so, GrooveCart will be having a freemium option as well. So it will not be a full platform like for the paid members, but it will be a freemium option which will have some limits on it, but more information on that later. Then these are the future Groove Funnels suite of tools: Groove Webinars Live, Groove Webinars Automated, Groove Webinar Streaming, Groove Desk for creating your own help desk for helping support your product and support questions and answering questions for your product. Groove Calendar will be a booking platform similar to Calendly. Like you sold a service, then you can give them you can give your visitors a booking calendar. They can choose the dates. They can go on there, book an appointment with you or things like this. So this is going to be very powerful. Groove Survey and Groove Quiz is also here. Is going to be used for creating questionnaires and quizzes and all kinds of different things, which will be connected with automation with all the other suite of tools. So this is going to be powerful. And also we have Groove Proof, which is a little widget, a little pop-up that comes up normally on the pages. You've probably seen these before. They are used to prove that somebody else purchased, or somebody else signed up, or somebody else uh, did an action on this site, so that the people, the visitors, that when they come over there, they don't think that they're alone in this, that other people are also using it, other people are interacting with it, with your products, with your company, and things like this. So Groove Proof is built in already, and it is part of the suite of tools that you will be able to get. This is an old pricing plan. We increased the price. It is now 1,897. In case you didn't upgrade yet, you missed out on this one-time offer payment plan, but there will be an other option which you can see when you click into the upgrade button on your dashboard. So now we know what GrooveFunnels is, what the other suite of tools are, but what can you do with it? So you can actually, if you have a product, you can set up your product in GrooveCell, like set up the payment gateway, set up the process, what happens after somebody purchases the product, maybe send them an email and things like this. And then you can design your pages, like you can design a landing page, a sales page with Groove Pages. Now you can sell your product in a visible way, which is a sales page on an internet site. You can have the product delivered, which you set up in GrooveCell, and you can automate this. So you create a sales machine that is online, working for you 24 hours. So you don't have to be there answering calls, answering emails. It is actually automated because it is online and it is working for you even when you're sleeping. So this is very powerful, and this is why online businesses have more success than some of the local businesses, because the internet is a very helpful tool. It helps automate things, helps them run without any hurdles, any hard tasks to do. Once you set it up, it can be left alone, and you can just work on your business, not inside your business. So this is something that GrooveFunnels is working on, to do more automations, more powerful integrations with all kinds of different things, so that the speed, basically, so that you don't have to spend so much time working on setting up everything, but you can help your customers that you actually sold to. So this is the kind of a goal of GrooveFunnels, to create everything very simple so that everybody can use and make a lot of money as a bonus of helping other people. So where can I learn how to use it? So as I mentioned previously in the intro, I am doing videos every workday, and you will be finding them here in the Facebook group or on YouTube channel, which is Groove Digital. Very simple to understand or to find. So yeah, I'm doing live streams every workday. I'm also doing short actionable videos, which are called lemon drops, and which is because my name is David Lemon, as you can see here below my face. I'm also doing lemonade sessions. So lemonade is like lemon is aiding somebody, so David Lemon is helping somebody, and the users voted lemon drops would be a perfect name for something short, something actionable, and this is what is going to be created. There are already video tutorials on that, and I will jump in a moment. We also bring in experts. There is every Tuesday, which is today, you will be able to come on a training with Tom Beal, which is an online marketing expert, and has sold a lot of products successfully with the co-founder of this company, Mike Filsame, and he worked with a lot of different other successful entrepreneurs and internet marketers, and he is actually coming and doing live trainings for you free every Tuesday. We also have John Garcia, which is a team member from our support desk. He is teaching us how to use GrooveCart, which is the e-commerce platform I just talked about earlier. Every Thursday, we have GrooveCart Challenge also going on, where we week by week build out a completely new store, completely from scratch, with users that are watching the videos. So that is also happening on Thursdays. And we also have on Fridays Groove Digital Presents. Groove Digital Presents is something awesome where we bring in outside experts so that they talk about their expertise, and also sometimes they share tools and courses and books and things like this, which you can actually purchase so that you learn even more, so that you advance even faster in this marketing and in your business, so that you can sell more, live better, have more freedom, automate everything, and things like this. So this is some type of a training schedule, and the best thing you could do is head over to groovedigital.com/calendar. Okay. Oops, sorry, not groovedigital.com, groovefunnels.com, groovefunnels.com/calendar. This will open this page, which is a bit to the side, but you have two buttons. It's showing up: add to Google Calendar or add to iCal. This is where you can opt in to our training calendar. When you click the add to Google Calendar, you can see and receive notifications whenever we have a training session going on. You can receive also the links. For example, you can see here on Thursday we will have a lemonade session. You can click here to visit the Facebook group where the training will be done. You can also click over here and see that this live training with me, we will have Groove Digital Presents over here. Here is the link you can just click to. This will register you, so you are opted in for the Groove Digital Presents. We also have Groove Cart e-commerce training. We have Groove Cart or Groove JV training for affiliates with Joe Jablonski. Here's the affiliate manager. We also have this training with Tom Beal, as I mentioned. So this is the best place where you can receive notifications about all our trainings. Okay, but in case you're thinking, where can I learn how to use it? It's not only our live trainings. You can also watch replays of these trainings. Whenever we do a training, there is a replay that is staying online. Most of these videos are streamed on Facebook and YouTube at the same time. So the best place to go is either inside the Facebook group. And just to show you a quick tip, in case you scroll down here, you can see popular topics in posts. Whenever there is a live demo or a live stream, I upload them here in the live demo sections. Okay, so once you click over here, you can see now we have this intro to Groove Funnels that we are doing now. If you scroll down a bit, you have a video that was created yesterday, how to create a funnel using Groove Pages, Groove Sell, and Groove Member. Then before that, there is another one where I explain the new features of Groove Sell. Then there's the Lemonade and things like this. So this is one of the places where you can find videos. Not only the live demos, you can also find tutorial videos here. These are the shorter videos where I explain a lot of different things, like how to have a transparent navigation, or like this one, how to have a button delay, how to create like how to connect your domain on Cloudflare, how to use GIFs or these movable images in Groove Page and things like this. So these are a couple of minutes long videos that you can find over here by clicking on the tutorial videos. We also sort our Groove Cart videos. This is the Thursday Groove Cart videos are here. We also have the Tuesday webinar replays with Tom Beal. So in case you want to find trainings, this is where you would need to go. So this was on week 3 of the Groove Cart training. This was Thursday, 13th of August, and this was 27th of August, and then things like this. So you can just find them here inside the popular topics and posts. The other best place to go is on YouTube. YouTube is where we stream these immediately. And if you head over to our Groove Digital YouTube channel, which is just typing in youtube.com/Groove Digital. There we go. Then this is basically the page that will open. As you can see, we have a live stream now. Once you click onto videos, you can find the videos that we created, Kajabi and Groove Cell. This is a video that was uploaded 20 minutes ago. We're doing this live stream now, and all the other videos that we created are over here. So you can see them, you can find them very easily, and just browse around. We have a lot of videos. I suggest also subscribing to our channel, because this way you can get notifications not only when we are doing live streams, but also when we upload a video. For example, in case you have an integration with, or in case you're using Kajabi and you want to integrate with GrooveCell, you can now see a video over here that was uploaded just 20 minutes ago. So you would get a notification about those as well. So yeah, these are the best places where you can find video replays. There is also a platform that we created where we keep replays of these ones, which is Groove Digital Academy. Not only the replays, but also other webinars and other updates on software from Mike Filsame and other co-founders you can find here. These are categorizing Groove Card training, Groove Funnels training, and Groove Digital Presents. As I mentioned, these are the expert interviews on Fridays. When they come, they talk about how to advance your business, and then sometimes they have some products to sell. You can find these courses over here. Everything related to Groove Funnels, to these suite of tools over here. Let me just move this away. These suite of tools you can learn about inside the Groove Funnels training, and then Groove Card is a special training course module over here, which you can go into, and you can learn more about Groove Card. So this is where I would suggest you to search for. So in the popular topics in posts, on Facebook group, inside our YouTube channel, or inside the Groove Digital Academy. This is the best place you can start learning how to use these products. The next slide is, where can I search for answers myself? So in case you have a question and you don't know where to find your answer, I will show you now a couple of places where you would need to search for, or you could search for, to find the best answers. And the first place I suggest is to head over to support.groovedigital.com. This is the support channel where you can also look for questions in the knowledge base. For example, in case you're interested in connecting your email, so let's just type in email, and then immediately there will be search results over here. And whenever we mention email in something, for example, email forwarding to a branded email address using free email accounts, in case you want to use a free email account and you want to have a branded email address, you can click over here and then watch a video on that one. We also have timestamps, which you can jump through different sections of the video and find the information that you need. So this is one of the ways that you can search for your answers. Let's just type in domain. If you want to connect your domain, how to publish your own domain, how to publish with a domain, with a GoDaddy or a Namecheap domain, full guide on getting a domain connected with Groove pages. So this is, again, another video where you have timestamps. You can click on them and go to different parts. But it's not only videos. We also have a textual explanations like this, and also here it's text and images, so you can understand it better, and you don't have to like commit to watching videos. So that is one of the platforms. We also have Groove Video Search, which is a very cool technology, which makes it easy to find information inside the videos. So in case you are wondering about, let's just say, email, or let's just find Layer App. Layer App is a platform within GrooveCard. So now we can see this is an automation. This is an AI platform that it searches inside the videos. So it does a transcription of the video automatically, and it searches for different phrases. As you can see, Layer App, it found it in the GrooveCard webinar replay from 2019. And at this time frame, so 39 minutes and 43 seconds, it found that somebody was talking about Layer App. When you click it in, or when you click on it, there will be the player will be opening and immediately scrolling to the section where it is talked about the Layer App. As you can see here, now this is where it came to. So these are the two platforms I suggest for searching for your own answers. And then, of course, the Facebook group. Facebook group is very powerful, and we have answered a lot of questions again and again. And in case you are looking for custom domain, search in the Facebook group and see different posts. So the posts will be showing up, the comments will be not showing up. So these are the posts that are talking about custom domains. So you can look for answers over here as well. And this is also very powerful because not we don't create content and video content on everything, on smaller questions that you can find over here in the Facebook groups, very detailed one, like how to connect your domain from ClickFunnels to Cloudflare and then over to group pages. We didn't do a video on that one, but it was answered a couple of times here in the Facebook group. So these types of answers you can find here as well. So the support.groovedigital.com, and also Groove Video Search, and our own Facebook group. These are the places where you can search for your answers yourself. Okay, where do I ask for support? So in case you got into you're stuck somewhere and you want to learn how to use something, or you actually need some hand holding so that we pull you out of the problems, you can ask for support on support.groovedigital.com. Over here, we were already here. So you can either create a ticket over here with your problem, with your issue that you're having, or during working hours of Eastern Standard Time, you can also click over here and chat. So you can click on the ask, and you can chat with our support team. So you can do email or chat as well over here. So once you type in your question, we can answer it. So this is available only during working hours, Eastern Standard Time, and you can find our support staff available online for chatting and also answering tickets over here. That is one of the places. The second place, in case this is not a very technical question, but like a recommendation that you want to ask from somebody, I suggest asking this in the Facebook group. We have a very active community over here. As you can see now, somebody's typing an answer over here, and like here as well. So users are helping each other, and other users have the answers that somebody does. So in case this is a quite technical question, I suggest asking it on the support channel over here, support.groovedigital.com. If this is more like a recommendation, or what would you do if, or what do you recommend something, or things like this, I suggest you to ask that inside the Facebook group. That is the two best places for getting recommendations and support. I want to see what other users created. Where can I do that? So this is a very good question, and I pulled this question out from the Facebook group. There's a lot of people that are just starting out and they don't know where to find pages, where to find content to see that others created using this suite of tools. And I'm happy to say that we have pulled all these pages created inside Groove Pages together inside a particular post, which is going out every Tuesday, and they are called Show and Tell. So we have a strict policy about not sharing links, promotional links, affiliate links, any kind of links, because it just increases or decreases the trust factor of the whole group. Like, everybody's promoting something, everybody is just selling something, and we don't allow that. So because sharing your site in a group, it is not allowed, we created a post where it is actually allowed, and for the reason of getting feedback. So let me just show you. Show and tell. Here we go. Show and tell. This is the image for the show and tell, and you can see other users' website by clicking on one of these. There is every week, every Wednesday, there is a show and tell, and if you click on one of these posts in the comment section, you will see people's sites. Let me just see in the comments. For example, Paul Keenan. Paul Keenan created an awesome site. Look at this one. So he created a page where he is selling his book and his audiobook, and this was created inside Groove Pages. And the way we know that is because we reviewed it, and when Paul was creating it, we were helping him. So the users were commenting, giving him feedback, like you could do great slides but need to be fixed scrolling and things like this. So people are commenting on each other's websites, each other's creations, so that the person can improve it, can just make a bigger, better website. This is also created with Groove Pages, as you can see, and the best place to find information on what others created using these platforms is inside the show and tell. For Groove Card stores, we don't have a specific place for finding Groove Card stores, and for that one you would just need to ask inside a group. People don't like sharing their creations before they are not ready yet. So for Groove Card stores, we don't have a show and tell post like this one yet, but this will be coming soon once Groove Card is merged with GrooveFunnels, and I will explain that in a moment. So for finding pages created or finding sites with Groove Pages, show and tell is where you would like to search. You would need to search. Okay. So now we are coming into more in-depth demos of separate apps. So as I mentioned, Groove Pages is a tool that you can use to create your pages, sales pages, websites, landing pages, opt-in pages, bridge pages, and all kinds of different pages. That's why it's called Groove Pages. Very simple to understand. And once you are logged in into your dashboard, you will see the apps over here. As you can see, this arrow pointing onto the left-hand side, this is where the GrooveFunnels apps are. The first one is Groove Pages. Once you click on it, you will see all your sites that you created. And I have a couple of them here. You can create a new site using a blank template. You can use a template that was pre-designed by our designers. All these pages were created inside Groove Pages. So in case you see something over here, everything was created using Groove Pages. So let's just use this feminine wealth opt-in, okay? Let's click select. So some of these templates will not be available for the free users, but in case you are an upgraded user, you will see these templates. This is how our Groove Pages page builder, you can start typing and changing things around. How I can help users become financially independent or things like this. So it's basically you click inside, you select things, you can change colors, you can make things bold, you can do italic, you can change the text size over here, as you can see, and all kinds of different things. You have here, this is an image. You can resize, you can make it bigger, you can make it smaller. Just see like that one. You can do padding and margin, as you can see over here. So it is very simple to understand, very simple to use. In case you want to move something, for example, this image you want to move here, you can do click, drag and drop, very simple to use. And here we go, we're back on this place. So in case you want to create your own custom sites, you would need to use things like blocks. We already have pre-designed blocks which you can use, like with images and colors and things like this. This is not everything. We are working on adding on more and more with a design team, but in case you want to do your own, I suggest using a wireframe blocks. Okay, so these are blocks that don't have any styling. So these are like black and white and gray, so you can actually style them yourself. It's very simple to use. You just click, drag it out. It's like it says drop over here. As you can see, now we have this. So we click on the image, we can choose a different image, set it up, and then you're basically done. So blocks, elements, we have different elements in case you want to add on a paragraph of text below this headline. You just drag it out like that, and then you can just double click and start typing in your text. Very simple. We have a lot of different elements you can use, and yeah, you just need to play with it. You need to start using it, and we have a lot of different videos on how to start using Groove Pages. You can choose many of the builds that I created from YouTube, from Facebook, from Groove Digital Academy, and you can start doing it step by step as I show in the videos, and then you will learn how to use this tool called Groove Pages. Okay, I just wanted to show and point out what Groove Pages is. I will not be going into depth on creating pages, but I just wanted to show what you can do with it. Okay, so the next app is GrooveCell. As I mentioned, GrooveCell is used to create products. So it is not a visual type of thing that you can create your product. It's not designing your product. It's like putting a handle here, then putting a square thing here, then you have a cup, and it's not that way. It's like you have a product, you know its name, you know what you want to price it, you know how you want to sell it, and this is basically what you set up inside GrooveCell. So if we go here inside the dashboard, the second app below Groove Pages is called GrooveCell. You click on GrooveCell, and this is what you will be seeing. This is an analytics dashboard for when you start selling your things, when you start selling your products. This is where you will be seeing how much revenue you get, how much is a commission for affiliates, how much profit is it for you, did somebody ask for a refund, and things like this. You can also see the rebills in case you are selling a subscription-based product, so that how many people got rebuild for the next subscription, things like this. So this is just a very short analytics. We will be improving that, and there will be more in-depth analytics later on. But what you would need to do is come into funnels and create a product funnel. As you can see, I have created a couple for some previous trainings that I created, but it's very simple. You click into create a new product funnel, you add a name. So let's just say that I'm selling a course which is Intro to Groove Funnels. This is the internal name you will be seeing over here inside the dashboard. You can also give it a name and description that users may see. I'll just continue with the same thing. And now you will be seeing that this is your product funnel. A product funnel is, imagine a box which has different products. So the first product will be the main product you will be selling, then the next product will be an upsell, then a next product will be a downsell, then maybe a different upsell. So a product funnel will keep all these: main product, upsell, downsell. So it will be all stacked under one product funnel. Then you can, this is, let's say, your main product. You can add on a new product, and you can choose if you want an upsell or a main product or a front-end product. And you go through pricing, gateways, content, checkout, bumps, so you set it up correctly as you want it, and then you can actually start selling immediately after that. There are videos on how to set up products, so you just need to search for it. Facebook, YouTube, or our own Groove Digital Academy. Also, you can search for answers inside support desk for how to set up products inside GrooveCell. It's pretty simple to use. It's very guided. As you can see, first set up your information, which is the name and the description of the product. Then click save and next. Then you go on to pricing. Then you set up the pricing. Would you like recurring, installments, one time? You set up the pricing. If you want more prices, like I want to do a one-time offer for like a $199. You want to do a recurring subscription type of thing, then you can do like $25 weekly and things like this. So you can go really in depth on setting up your product, but it is all guided through, and you don't have to think about, oh, I forgot one, because it actually guides you through every step of the way. Okay, so that is GrooveCell. It's very powerful, and it has a lot of different things that it offers. You can set up tracking links, you can set up page tracking, you will be able to set up your sales stacks, you can create affiliate portals and tools in case you want to promote your products using affiliate and things like this. You can see your customers in case somebody purchased from you. You can see the leads. The leads are for people that wanted to buy the product but decided not to buy the product. So you will have their name, you will have their email, and you will be able to send them like, oh, you forgot something in your cart, please click over here and check out, things like this, which will be awesome. It's very powerful. Okay, so let's just go out and have a look at the next product, which is called Groove Affiliate. Groove Affiliate is very important tool for managing affiliate programs. This one is, as I mentioned, is the backend of the affiliate products and affiliate programs like the Groove affiliate program. When you join Groove Funnels, you can can decide also to promote Groove as your product. So in case you don't have a product yet, you can make Groove as your products. So once you click here, Groove affiliate program, you can see here that you can get the links for promoting it. You can get some swipe emails that you copy this over, you put it in your email software, and you can send these emails so that you make people purchase the product, and this way you get a bit of commission on that one. If you are a paid member, if you're a platinum member, you can earn 40% commission and also an automatic tier 2 on that one. Or in case you're a free member, you get 20% and 5% on tier 2. Platinum members get 10% tier 2 affiliate commissions. But what I suggest is to click on this button, Groove Affiliate Program, and watch this video. This is very important, and Mike goes through everything you need to know about the affiliate program. Okay. I see a lot of great questions coming in, so thank you very much, guys. We will be answering your questions later on down at the end of the live stream. Let me just go through all these so that the people that are watching the replay didn't have to go from one step to another to jump over and skip over different things, so that they can learn and see all the answers that I created. Awesome. So Groove Affiliate. Groove Affiliate is a platform that looks very, very similar to Groove Sell, and that is because they are actually one software, but it's like separated. Like you put, like two of your hands. They're both working together. When you put them together, when you put them together, they are more, they're stronger. So here you can create promotions, like promotions for different links, for something from ClickBank, something from JVZoo. You can actually take your links and create promotions and trackings and things like that. And you can also add bonuses automatically delivered for people that join through your link and things like this. It's very, very powerful, and I suggest jumping in and learning more about Groove Affiliate in case you are inside the affiliate and JV business. It is a very strong tool that you can use. You can also see sub affiliates for promoting Groove funnels, and you can also see sub affiliates for your own products in case you are selling your products using affiliates. So that is it. We will be having a marketplace in case you create your product and you want to put it on a marketplace so everybody can find it. Marketplace is similar to ClickBank or JVZoo or Warrior Plus Forum. These are all marketplaces for products that somebody else created, but you can sell it instead of them as well. So we will have our marketplace, which will be here. It will be a Groove Sell marketplace. Okay. So that was Groove Affiliate, very short, but in case you want to explore more, then you can find videos and tutorials on how to use it. What is Groove Video? This is a very popular question. Is this like YouTube? Can I create my channel with it? Actually, no. This is not like YouTube. This is not exactly as Vimeo. This is a marketing tool. This is a tool that will create video players that you can put on your site that will be tracking people in that watch the video. Let me just show you. So let's just click on Groove Video over here. It is a software that came out like 2 weeks ago. If you go into videos, let's just click on this edit video. You can set up different videos. You can set up the name. You can click here to upload a video. You just drag a video over here, or just click inside this box to select the video. Then you can choose what to display or how to display it. You want it responsive so that it moves with the site. In case somebody is watching on a mobile, then the video will be smaller. In case somebody is watching on a desktop, the video will be bigger. You can set up different settings for a splash image. The splash image, as you can see here, is, let me just refresh, is the purple image that you see now. It was very brief, but when you don't click the play button, then you will be seeing the autoplay on mode. Then you will be seeing a splash image. This is a splash image over here. You can decide if you want to mute or start or not to mute. You can select different skins. Let me just show you here. So this, you can select different colors for the player like that. And we will have more and more colors added on later on, but for now we have these ones. Autoplay unload, show overlay title. You can also add a title up here, like that. As you can see, you can also put in call to action. So you can see, let me just do it quickly. So you can put an opt-in form that shows up at not 3 hours, but 3 seconds. Oops. Sign up, create. And when the video reaches 3 seconds, 1, 2, 3, here we go. There is now our form, and this is embedded into the video, so you can actually have video work for you, so that people that people that sign up, only then they can watch the rest of the video. So this is very powerful, and as you can see, this is a marketing tool. It is not for playing your videos with, like, your family and your birthdays and things like this. It is actually very important for selling. In case somebody signs up through the video, in case somebody watches the video, you will be able to target them. You will have analytics dashboard later on how, like, who watched what percentage of the video, where do they opt out, where do they leave the video, so then you can improve your videos in the future and things like this. It's very powerful marketing tool, and you can choose end action or loop the video from the beginning and things like this. So that is very, very powerful, that you can create all kinds of different things using video and Groove Video. GrooveMember just came out this weekend, and it is a tool, it is a software that you can use to create your own membership platforms, membership sites. As I mentioned previously, just briefly, that a membership or a members platform is somewhere where you send people that purchased from you. If you are selling a course, let's just say, then you process the payment, and then you send people to GrooveMember, to platform that you created using GrooveMember, where you set up, okay, so if this person purchased the basic package, then they will see only this and this video. If they purchase the professional package, then they will see this and this and this and this, and they will get this and this. Okay, so this is what you set up in GrooveMember. So who will see what content after the purchase? And you can create your membership sites, like you can upload your um, your books. In case you are selling a book, somebody purchased from you, you put it in GrooveMember. People will be able to go back into this membership platform and download your video whenever they need it. So let's say they download the video and they lost it, or lost the phone, or lost the Kindle that they were using for reading the video, so they can actually go back to your membership site and just click the download button again to re-download their book that they purchased from you. So it's very, very nice. And let me just go in and show you. So GrooveMember is over here, and when you click on it, this is what you will see. So at this point, I have a couple of memberships, and when you click on content membership, then you can actually go and set things up. You click on new membership, then you can decide on your name. So let's just use Intro to Groove Funnels as well. Intro to Groove. Oh, okay, so this is a subdomain, sorry. Groove Funnels training, okay. Groove Funnels test. And again, you get into a step-by-step wizard to set up your membership. So you decide on your name, you put in your sales page link over here. You can choose the instructors over here. You can upload your logo and your featured image. If you want to show the progress bar, like on courses, people watch one video, and then when they go and click mark as complete, then the progress bar gets a bit in. So it's that, like, you finished like 10% of the course and things like this. So this is the progress bar. You can go into Builder and actually build out your membership. It is how it is, like that, how it will be looking like. You can add our categories and chapters. You can pull in elements like this one, and solid button, and I don't know, YouTube video here on the top, and things like this. So it is very simple to use, very similar to Groove Pages, which I showed you previously. And we will try to work on all our platforms to look and feel very similar, so then you don't have to relearn everything. Once you learn Groove Pages, how to use it, once you learn Groove Cell, how to use it, everything else will be just a breeze, because step by step you will know how to design, how to construct your products, how to construct your memberships, and things like this. So it will be following the same styling. But yeah, now when you are finished, you can see here is the progress bar. When somebody clicks the mark is complete, the progress bar will be going like sliding in, so that it shows that the people completed. You can choose if you want to enable or disable comments and comment moderation, if you want all the comments to be approved by an admin first, or just auto approve all comments. Access levels, this is where I said, okay, so the person that purchased the basic level will get access to dum 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 dum. The person that purchased the professional level will get access to this video, this content, that content. And then if you want to drip out content, if you want to say like, okay, so if somebody joined the membership in the first day, give him access to this one, but the next video, just give him access after 3 days. So you can decide that over here. If you check instantly upon sign up, they will get access instantly. If you click this after 3 days, after 4 days, after X days, you can set that up here, or on a specific date, then you can choose the date over here like that. And then you can send a welcome email, which is an automatic welcome email being sent by our system. You can decide not to send welcome emails, or you will be able to send custom welcome emails, which will be automated by our Groove Mail platform. Okay. At the end, you will get your link, and your users will see this on their side. So they will see a registration form, they can type in their details over here, and they can access your platform. So it's pretty simple to use. It is guiding you through the whole way. You don't have to think about a lot. And it's just very simple and very easy to create with. Okay. And then what is GrooveCart I have here on my slide, but I just wanted to mention some things. At this point, it is 1st of September, and we are still waiting for GrooveMail. When you click on GrooveMail, it is not out yet. It says August 31st, but the most up-to-date information you can find on groovefunnels.com/infographic. If you scroll down and see what are the features and apps that came out, you will see GrooveMail is coming out very shortly, and this is coming in September 14th. There will be we still need to test GrooveMail with just a small user base, and then this is why it is getting a bit delayed, but it will be out very soon, and you will be able to use it shortly. It is very cool. I've seen it in play, and it's just amazing how it works. So once GrooveMail comes out, it will handle all the automation, all the sequences, and all the things that you want to play with automatically, so you don't have to actually do most of the stuff yourself. Like if somebody watched the video until 25%, just send them this email, send them a link to the membership, send them from the membership, send them here, and things like this. So you will be able to do these automations inside GrooveMail. Okay. So groovefunnels.com/infographic is the place where you can see everything about our feature updates and the rollout of the new apps and the features. So this is what I suggest you to mark and follow this page, because this is where we will be putting all the most updated information. Great, so that is GrooveMail, but let me just talk now about GrooveCart as I wanted to do previously. GrooveCart, as I mentioned, is an e-commerce platform very similar to Shopify. But once you click to e-commerce and click on GrooveCart, it is saying that it's still coming. It's not out yet. And this is because this is GrooveCart 2.0. We do have GrooveCart that is out. And in case you just recently upgraded to a platinum account, you have or you will have access to it. It's being sent out automatically by our system, so it could take a bit of time. But my.groovecart.com is the platform where you need to log in at this moment. it is being worked on. We are merging the two systems, so it takes a bit of time for it to load now. But uh, once this time comes, or I believe it will be September, somewhere mid-September, GrooveCart will be accessible from GrooveFunnels dashboard. Okay, so I believe the devs are working on it. It is not loading in now, but it will be part of GrooveFunnels. So you will have GrooveSell, Groove Pages, Groove Affiliate, Groove Video, Groove Member, GrooveCart. Everything will be here at the same place. You will not have separate logins, separate passwords and things like this. You will be able to access to everything. And then you will be able to sell physical products the way an online shop does. You will have different access for your VAs, so they can do all kinds of like add products, fulfill products. You'll be able to do print on demand, drop shipping, sell your own products, sell digital products as well. If you are selling, I don't know, designs for t-shirts, and it is a PDF file that you send out, you can set up this in a store layout, so that people can go and see your designs and things like this first before buying. So it is very powerful, and you will have access to it very soon. It will be this month. So in case you jumped on the platinum deal, very good job. You will have access to GrooveCart very soon inside your dashboard. But where do I see a roadmap? As I showed you, the roadmap is GrooveFunnels. Oops, not this one. GrooveFunnels. Funnels. .com/infographic. This is kind of a roadmap. It says here that you can find our target dates, but please keep in mind that these dates are more of a guideline rather than a guarantee, because as you know, we are a beta software, and we don't want to push out a platform which is very, very, very broken, that it's unusable. So sometimes when you're developing software that is complex as what we are trying to create, in the time that we're trying to create it, sometimes things break, because we do all kinds of automations, and this needs to talk to this thing and this thing. Sometimes when we push out a new platform, it breaks the other ones. So there are sometimes delays because of this integrated platform. So this is why we say it is more of a guideline than a guarantee. So as you can see here, the circles with the red are delayed, but the circles with the green are actually live already, so you can see those out there. Yeah, so this is one of the places. The second place to go is the feedback.groovefunnels.com. This is a place where we see where we ask for people to request features. If you want to see a roadmap from Groove Pages, you can click on feature requests, see the top posts, and the ones that have the most votes will be getting done as a priority. Okay, so in case you want to see something, you can just click on it, and then it will get added to our developers to-do list. And if the ones that you want are down somewhere below, upvote them and ask others to upvote it as well inside the group, so that it gets done sooner. But this is a roadmap, and this is the features that we will be developing with our suite of tools. So this is only for Groove Pages, but every one of the platforms has it. So Groove Sell, Groove Video feature request, Groove Member feature request, and there is no Groove Mail yet. So that is it. So Groove Pages, Groove Sell feature request, Groove Video, and Groove Member. GrooveCart has its own. So in case you're interested about GrooveCart, you can go to groovecart.canny.io/feature requests. And this is for GrooveCart. So let's just see the top trending custom domain email. We need templates, write required image, pictures, and logo. Okay, so these things are being planned and in progress, as you can see. And this is a feature request for GrooveCart. Once GrooveCart joins this platform over here, once GrooveCart is available inside GrooveFunnels, then we will have only one um, platform where you will be able to vote on everything. But for now, we have separate for GrooveCart and for GrooveFunnels. So yeah, this is where you can see the roadmap. Here is something that we already scheduled that we are working on, but in case if it's not on there, this is where you can find it in the feature requests. This is the roadmap that our designers and the developers are following. Great. So let's just see the next one. I found some bugs. What should I do? So if you go over to the feature request page and you just type in feedback.groovefunnels.com, you can also see that there is Groove Pages bugs, Groove Cell bugs, Groove Video bugs, Groove Member bugs, Groove Mail bugs, and things like this. So it is um, this is the platform you need to go to. In case you found a bug and you want to report it, then just go over here, Groove Video Bugs, create a post and report it. Or if it's already done, just upvote it. So changing video skin color does not save. Okay, awesome, great. We upvoted it and we want this done as soon as possible. The the developers that are working on fixing the bugs for each of these platforms, they look this, and this is the only thing they follow. The Trello board, they have this one on the Trello board, so they go from okay, uh, to do, in progress, done, and this is what they have over there for to do. So in case you, let's just see the top comments over here. For example, now this has 4. If I upvote it, it will have 5. So then it will pop higher. It will be higher on the priority list for developers, so they can do this one faster. They can improve this one faster. In case you do have, if in case you found some bugs, please do not report them to our support team. They will need to go over here to the feedback site, and they will need to edit, because this is, as I said, this is something that our developers are following. So in case you report it to support needs to go do this one, and then it becomes a delay. So in case you found bugs that are not like immediately needed to be fixed, um, please just report them over here, because this way our developers can work on it, our support can answer other questions that are more necessary for billing and for other things like that. Yes, so in case you have any bugs, if you found any bugs, please do not report them to support. For Groove Pages, for GrooveCell, for anything, please just pop them in here, and this is coming to a priority list from our developers. Great. So I'm just on my last slide, and after this one, guys, I will be jumping in and answering your questions. So in case you have any questions, please put a Q in front of it, dash, and then your question. Where can I see the upcoming features? I already answered this one very briefly. So feature requests, and this is where you can see them. This is where you can upvote them, and also inside the rollout schedule, this is where you can see the features that are going to be coming very soon. Great. So I believe now we are ready to answer the users' questions from the comment section. Please keep them relevant to this topic, in case you have some bugs that you encountered, in case you don't know how to connect your integration. At this moment, I will not be answering those questions, because I want to leave them relevant to this video. Okay, I will go after the live stream and answer your questions in the comments in a written word, but I want to put on a video as a reply the questions that are relevant to the people that are new, as an intro to GrooveFunnels. Okay. In the replays, is there a video on how to import WordPress site? There is a video on how to import things. You can find it here inside the announcements tab, because this was not a training, it was an announcement about our page import feature. You can have a look at this one. This is where I showed briefly how to use it, and I suggest watching the whole video to um, get more in flow of how to use the page import and how you will be able to use the page import later. The email was obviously delayed. Do you know when it will be coming out? Please have a look at the infographic over here. It says it here. At this point, it was set September 14th. Okay. So people are answering each other's questions. How can you create automatic affiliates when people sign up? Can you create accounts for customers on GrooveCard? You cannot create account for customers on GrooveCard because customer is a person that purchases from you. The affiliates, you cannot create an automatic affiliates at this moment. This is something that is custom coded for our system. When we are selling software, we created this for ourselves, but it has been requested inside the membership area over here, Groove member feature request, to have this auto affiliate system. So you just scroll through here, or search for it. You can also search for different things inside the feature requests. So search for the automatic affiliate and upvote it. This is a very good thing, and I believe it is already decided that this will be done. There is no estimated time when this will be done, but I believe our company thought of this one previously, and it will be added. Question from Carol: will students have the ability to download a certificate when they have completed a course or attained the required grade? That is a great question, Karen. I believe this is a feature request, so please head over to Groove member feature request and vote on it, or request it if this is not done yet. Eric, when will the update to Groove member be out? The link sent via email doesn't work for sign in. You can get in once you create a member, but you can get it again. Also, send email through member doesn't work either. Yes, Eric, we know about this one. This has been reported in Groove member bugs, and our devs are working on it. Also, I created a video yesterday about how to use Groove member. So in case you want, you can check that out. I believe this could or not I believe, I know that will give you a workaround for the moment. Can I have different language settings on 2 different Groove sites for memberships and courses? This is a great question, but different languages are not supported yet inside Groove funnels. We will have over here inside my account, when you come, you will be able to choose English or other languages. At this moment, we have Portuguese and English, but when you are building out your products, when you're building out your membership, there is no automatic way of changing the language in there. You can create a custom, like basically you can create a membership that has the system details in English, but the content is pushed out on your language. That is possible to create, but at this point there is no language switch for other languages except Portuguese. But for the new platforms like Groove Video and Groove Member, we are still working on updating the language files for those. Okay, I'm just looking through the questions. Give me just one moment. This is a very frequent question. I signed up yesterday but haven't received anything. This happens for one reason most of the time, and this is because users type in a wrong email address. So in case you think you mistype your email address, or you didn't receive anything, the only logical place you can go is to contact support. Support can actually look into the purchases, and they can find what emails you use to log in, and they can actually restart that for you so you can access your purchase. And most of the times people just say that I didn't get anything, and the solution or the reason for that is because you probably mistype your email and you didn't get the login details. That is the simplest explanation. It is a silly problem, but it can cause big issues. So please reach out to support in case this is something that you had, and they can restart that for you. If I have more than one domain, can I integrate all of them as a separate website for my membership and courses in Groove? So at this moment, you cannot connect a separate domain with your membership at this point, and this is the 1st of September, which I'm talking about. Um, these features are coming and will be out soon, and you will be able to do that. Yes, if you create 5 memberships, you can have 5 custom domains for each of them, or not each of them. Like you can have one custom domain for each of them, but at this point, we don't have the ability to have custom domain with a membership, just a subdomain for now. Can I use it into network marketing business as online? Yes, you can use it for network marketing business. Hmm. Question from Viber: can a landing page be shared with our clients with import feature if I put the code on my website for the Groove Pages account? Um, can a landing page be shared with our clients with import feature if I put, so in case you are giving access to your clients, just take the code from your website that you have built and not using the import feature. Like just copy the code, paste it. For example, I did this for I have a couple of websites that I did, and I just copied over the code, as you can see. And this is something that I giving to my clients, to the people that I sent over the templates to. So just the code and not using the import feature. It is making it very simple. You can email a website that way. Okay, so I believe I went through all the comments to the top. Let's just see what the questions are. I would be awesome if the German were added as language option. Yes, I know we will have some things like this one. Please head over to the feedback and the feature request, and you can upvote it. It was already there. Just click the upvote button. That will help a lot. For new members, other than watching this video, what do you think should be the very first thing for them to learn in order to be successful? I'm thinking pages and sell, but your thoughts. Very good question. And let me just head over to YouTube and show you immediately. So I would suggest for everybody to start playing with these these apps, just to explore where the buttons are, what they are doing, and what they are for. But if I would need to say, I would send people to a complete beginner's guide to working with Groove Pages. I go, as I showed previously inside Groove Pages, I just showed, okay, so here are the blocks, here are the elements, and then you can have different settings here. This is something that I created a video on, only on that separate topic. So this is something, so a complete beginner's guide to working with Groove Pages. As you can see, it is very watched video, very popular video, 1.88k views for now, and it was just pushed out a month ago. In case you want to play with immediately building out something, maybe building out a book landing page or building out I don't know, where is a different build video, simplest affiliate funnel. This is also very interesting. It was created in a half an hour. We created an affiliate funnel. It looks great, and it was done very quickly, so people can follow these types of videos and feel accomplished. So this is one of the videos as well, creating the simplest affiliate funnel with a delayed button in Groove Pages. This is something I would suggest to start with. And for Groove Sell, I suggest to watch the creating or embedded, let me just this one, building a landing page with embedded Groove Cell checkout. This is a video where I go really in depth of explaining everything that Groove Cell has, that Groove Cell that you need to do inside Groove Cell, so you set it up correctly. But you have also these shorter videos. As you can see, they're shorter than 1 minute, in case you want to create your affiliate promo tools, in case you want to create like this is for setting up timer. If you want to add a product in Groove Cell, if you want to edit the product, in case you want to do an installment plan, in case you want to set up a gateway, in case you want to set up a refund period and things like this. So these are 1 minute, 2 minute videos, very short, which explain just that you want to know. So yes, simplest affiliate funnel is in case you want to learn by building, and in case you want to learn how to use the app. The complete beginner's guide to working with Groove Pages is what I suggest to start with. Then you can go into creating funnels with upsells and downsells. You can also learn how to create custom forms, setting up Zapier and things like this. So there's a lot of different stuff that you can do. I am working on creating different courses, which go step 1, create a site and name it. Step 2, put a video on it and then put a button on it. Step 3, do this. Step 4, do this. And then so on. It is coming soon. I'm still working on them, but for now you can just go through some of these videos and learn from this one. Can I have 2 joining on same person? I'm not quite sure I understand. If you want to have one platform, like you purchased GrooveFunnels, but if you want to have 2 people on it, I don't know if this is your question or not, but if it is, then you just need to share your account with somebody. You will be able to share your account later on more easily when we will have the customer users and access, which is over here, additional users and roles. You will be able to add on your team members to work with you, but for now you would need to share out your login details, and only do that in case you trust the person, because they will be able to access all your sales data and things like this. I have a very nice, lovely lady that is here in the back end of the training platform. So if she maybe wants to jump in just to say hi.
Hello. I'm exactly ready for prime time today, but I did want to come take a peek, say hello and welcome to all of our new members, and just see how you're doing, David.
We are doing very well. I'm just answering the questions that the people were asking during the training. We went through a lot of different things. What is GrooveFunnels? What is Groove Digital? What they can do with it? And I believe people will be able to learn a lot from this video itself. We are at the end of the Q&A session.
I have no doubt, David, everyone learns a ton from your videos. So you guys are in good hands with David as your community manager.
Great. Well, thank you very much, Donna, for popping by. In case you want to say something, we are ready for you anytime.
Oh yeah, I mean, I don't have much to say other than welcome and thank you. It was a crazy couple of days here over at Groove Digital, and just so excited to have all the new members who've joined us. We're in the process of putting out like a public email message that'll be in the Facebook group to welcome all of you. So yeah, thanks, thanks everyone.
Perfect. So let me just jump in back to a couple of questions that I may have missed. How to import a ClickFunnels landing page or a website, also when the blog feature will be available fully. You can see the rollout schedule, and the blog is here in Q4. We don't have dates for these ones yet. Blog will be coming out somewhere at the end of the year. As you can see here, Groove Blog is here. But for the import feature, the video I suggest you to watch is this one inside the Facebook group. We live stream into the Facebook group just because we wanted to introduce the page import feature in beta, and this is where we talk about how to import features from ClickFunnels and why this is something that needs a bit of work on it. So please just watch this one. You can find it in the announcements tab inside the popular topics in post in the Groove Digital Facebook group. Art in design, can physical products be added to the marketplace, or is it only digital product? So we do have Groove Marketplace, where you can see here, we will have an affiliate marketplace. This is when you have an affiliate program for your product. You will be able to set it up inside the affiliate marketplace. This can be a physical product or a digital product, or even a service if you want. The Groove Marketplace is not for selling through affiliates, but this is for selling products and services directly to the end users. And you can see we have already a couple of products on here. We are still developing this marketplace. It will be nicer, it will be better. But for now, just to give you an example, this is what people do. So they created their products in GrooveCart and they uploaded these products so that other users can buy it and purchase it from here. You can also sell your services like GrooveCart setup and design and graphic design and press releases and craft your unique GrooveCart store and things like this. So it is not only for either physical or either digital products. Groove Marketplace will be for services and products. But in case you want to sell using the affiliate marketplace, which will be called Groove Sell Marketplace, it is coming out very shortly, and it will be for affiliate for products with affiliate systems behind it. Okay. Perfect. Let me just jump through the other questions. I think you misunderstood my question. For GrooveCart, I was talking about customer login for your store like eBay or Amazon, so customers don't need to keep inputting their personal details. I am not quite sure what you mean by this. So if you want to have access for GrooveCart, you will like...
Hi.
Hi, do you really understand the question?
Help you out there. So I get your question. It's so that our GrooveCart customers, their customers can log into their store. So it can maintain things like their credit card information, their account information, their order history, that kind of thing.
Mm-hmm.
And
Okay.
I don't know if that is actually part of the plan for GrooveCart stores, but it's a damn good idea and should be part of the plan. I don't know. I don't know if it's been considered, but we can find out.
Yeah.
If not, I think we should consider it because it's a great idea.
As I mentioned, you can go into GrooveCart feature requests and you can request it here. That would be the best place to have something like that. And could be that it is already requested. You just need to upvote it. So
Yeah.
I suggest using the search function all the time. It is the best place without scrolling for kilometers. Yes, and there's another question over here. If you had items in the marketplace you also wanted to have available for affiliates, is that linked, or would you have to upload them to both spots? So at this point, the two marketplaces will not be the same. So it will be like going into one shop, going out, and then going into different shop. It will be set up like that. I believe it will be made easier for us in case you want to pop it onto the marketplace for selling it without affiliates, and it will be also easy for putting it on the affiliate marketplace in case you want to go both ways. But at this point, it is not done yet, so we'll just need to see. And I believe there will be a lot of updates for the marketplaces. So we'll just need to see what we get, and then later on how it is going to be updated. And in case you want to do immediately, you can just request it here inside GrooveCell feature requests. You can just request GrooveCell marketplace features that you would like to see later on. Okay, there's a question. I want to move my agency from WordPress to Groove. I thought I would use Groove Pages. However, my misunderstanding now migrates to GrooveCell is a better option for my services. Would that be correct? So in case you're trying to sell your services using GrooveCell, it is possible, but at this point, your agency, that we don't have the agency feature yet inside GrooveFunnels, and this will be coming out towards the end of the year. However, at this point, you can design pages for your clients and get them to sign up to their own GrooveFunnels account through your link. This is something that I would suggest you to do in case you're an agency and want to start immediately. Get them your link, your affiliate link, get them to sign up, maybe get them to purchase the lifetime deal while they can. They can also save a lot of money using it. And you will design their pages, and you will transfer the design of the pages, so that they have basically a full website or landing page done. And this is something that I recommend, but I'm not quite sure what kind of agency you are. In case you're not a website design agency, then that would probably not be the best for you. Does GrooveCard offer automatic sales calculations? I live in EU and have to charge VAT on my based on my country, and if they are VAT added, this case I didn't get answered yet. Yes, so the sales tax in GrooveCell, we don't have that option yet. As I previously pointed it out, inside GrooveCell there is a button for sales tax, but that feature is coming soon. It is not here yet. Inside GrooveCart, we do have the tax option and the calculation of tax per country and things like this. However, there is also integrations available with TaxJar, and TaxJar is an app. It's an online platform which automates the calculations and basically handling your tax, and it makes it super easy for everybody to not worry about their taxes and things like this. So in case you are working with GrooveCard, we already have those features, and also an integration with TaxJar, which is actually almost built into the system so that it basically handles the tax for you. Okay. Great question. In Groove Pages, how do I link an external file like style sheet, CSS, and script JSS? We can use, okay, so this is a technical question that I believe you're trying to connect something else to your design. And I don't believe you can connect files, but you can put your code from the files inside the design. If you have a look at how a page is designed in Groove Pages, inside the code, let's just open this one. It has, as you can see in the canvas over here, it shows up really nicely. But when you click the code over here, this is CSS. So basically the style of the CSS is put in here. And towards the end of the page is HTML. I'm not quite sure about JavaScript, but the HTML is showing up over here at the end, as you can see, and this is all on one page. So I don't think that is an option for linking in files to your designs, but in case you want to work with code, this is how you would need to assemble your pages using those code inside the source code option here. Okay, I will answer these two more questions, and then I believe we can wrap this up, because we will need to finalize this to not be a 2-hour video for the new members. Is there a way to make price tags inclusive instead of it being added to the sales price? You would need to look into all the options inside GrooveCard. There's quite a few different options you can choose from for your best options. Question from Matthias. In order to use Groove Affiliate, the product must be created first in GrooveCell, or the two tools work independently? They work independently. So in case you're selling your product, you set up your affiliate product, your affiliate system for your product inside GrooveCell. In Groove Affiliate, you set up the affiliate systems for outside products as well. You can do trackings and things like this for other affiliate products. In case you're promoting somebody else's product, in Groove Affiliate would be handling those. What is the link for GrooveCard request? It's hard to see on screen. Okay, so the feature request and basically the GrooveCard bugs for reporting bugs and feature request is groovecard.kenny.io, and I will copy it and paste it inside the Facebook group so that you can simply click on it. Okay, let's make this the last question. Do I need a privacy policy to promote ClickBank products through GrooveFunnels? Yes, it's always good to have privacy policy and to do all the necessary legal work so that you are you are secured so that nobody can have any problems and basically get in a legal conflict with you later down the line. So just secure yourself, put on privacy policies, put on terms of service, and what you're actually doing. In case you're doing affiliate promotions, put also an affiliate disclosure. Most of the sites that do affiliate promotions, they have affiliate disclosure at the footer, and I believe this is also necessary in case you are promoting on paid platforms like Google or Facebook. Without these legal pages, Facebook or Google would not even allow you to use paid promotions. So that is it, guys. I believe you could you learned a lot from this video. We went through everything, all the questions, where to find support, where to report bugs, where to see the roadmap of GrooveFunnels. And in case you do have any other questions, we are always there to support you in the Facebook group. Also, our support staff is ready to handle your tickets on support.groovedigital.net. But in case you get stuck with something, we are always here to help you. So thank you very much for watching. Hopefully we will see your awesome creations inside the Facebook group very soon. And yeah, for the next time, we will have a training tonight with Mr. Tom Beal. As I mentioned, it's Tuesday. If you want to sign up, just show up here on our YouTube channel at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, or in the Facebook group. But as I previously mentioned, groovefunnels.com/calendar. It has the opt-in buttons for opting in into Google Calendar or iCal, so you get reminders of our trainings. So yes, with that said, hope to see you tonight on the Groove Digital training, and yes, we see you in the Facebook group as well. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.